sorry for the things I said. I never meant to break you the way you broke. In the distance over bridges, I hear you calling out through the smoke. And I hold my breath while you choke. I watch the cars crash in slow motion. I didn't look away. Should have seen what was coming. You stopped running, but all I know is the chase. I never learned how to stay. The truth is I'm no good for you. You probably know it by now, but in case you don't, or you maybe forgot, give me one more chance and I'll let you down. And I hope that you find somebody to love. It's what you deserve. Someone to adore you more than you know, and you know I'm not her. All I can promise is the worst. The truth is I'm no good for you. You probably know it by now, but in case you don't, or you maybe forgot, give me one more chance and I'll let you down. And I remember you drunk and crying the time you told me it felt like dying, 'cause you knew that we had only been lying to ourselves. The truth is I'm no good for you, and you should know it by now. In case you don't, or you maybe forgot, give me one more chance and I'll let you down. a goddamn lonely road, and I'm sleeping alone. But you remind me of somebody I know. Can I stay with you a while? 'Cause you remind me of someplace I call home. Can I stay with you a while? You met her smoking cigarettes in the men's room. You liked her high heels, she liked his tattoo. She said she'd never been east of the West Coast. Couldn't stand all the palm trees and windows. Called herself baby. Baby. Growing up in a first world's worst dream, grace-giving, God-fearing, good family. But when his hair grew long and his skin grew soft, all they saw was all wrong. Didn't see baby. Baby. She took him walking down the streets of her hometown, and she showed him how she makes her living now. And he made her swear she'll break out somehow. And he thinks about her even now. Wonder where she's been and how. And if she's smoking cigarettes in the men's room, he wants to show her his new tattoo. It says, baby.